It is not appropriate to have very colorful dishes, with varied foods, at the table every day. Nor to be moderate, avoiding overeating or inappropriate meals. As much as you eat, also when it affects your health, as nutritionists recommend. An excessive amount of your body, if you skip breakfast, eat lunch too fast or dine too late. In this video, we are going to talk about the right times to eat and what is its importance for health and weight loss. Veggie describes how a woman discovered the female fat loss code, lost by modern medicine and lost 84 kilograms, using a simple two-step ritual that 100% guarantees a shocking daily weight loss, significantly more than serving to control how much time is left for the next appointment. The watch should be used as an ally to point out whether it is time for the next meal. Professionals point out that there are several benefits to maintaining a food routine, always trying to consume approximately at the same time. The feeling of satiety is greater, your body reacts more directly to calorie intake and can further accelerate your body, causing maintenance and even loss of weight. In large meals, such as breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we need to provide a greater amount of energy and nutrients, which will be very important for the performance of our vital functions and day-to-day activities. Intermediate meals, snacks. It is likely to be modular. Blood glucose, that is, the amount of energy that circulates within the body and, consequently, hunger control. Keeping to the routine of eating at the right time still makes your body get used to receiving nutrients at certain times of the day, so there's no need to inform mental performance that it urgently needs glucose, as an example, causing, finally, the energy expenditure. This ends up affecting lean body mass, something perfectly avoidable with good eating habits. It is an indisputable fact that nutritionists advocate losing weight by eating. But it is not just for many who wish to regulate their weight that meals are important. Taking appropriate meals into consideration is a smart way to regulate metabolic disease, even without reducing calories. The use of beneficial food components, such as polyphenols, unsaturated fatty acids, and fibers at appropriate times, would contribute to health in exactly the same way as drugs administered at specific intervals. Not only quality and quantity, but time is important for nutrition. Is breakfast the main meal of the day? After about 8 hours of fasting while sleeping, and sometimes more, considering that there are no calories immediately before bedtime, the body needs to replenish nutrients. Finding out how our bodies will prepare for routine activities is, in fact, precisely noisy hours of the day when your metabolism starts to enter the most active phase. Therefore, combining waking up after hours without eating and preparing to spend more energy, it is generally fair to suspect that breakfast is considered to be the key to meals. In addition to ensuring more disposition, the first meal recommended over time, when taken at the appropriate time, means that you will eat less for lunch, dinner, and snacks. This meal is the first that will provide your body with vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and proteins that can stimulate metabolism, concentration, hunger control, and blood sugar, while also helping to maintain a stable mood. Why maintain a routine? Having regular meals allows you to be healthy and consequently improves the maintenance of any health problem. Knowing how to make the effort when meals are eaten daily, mental performance will always be necessary and should send alerts to the body. Thus, greater feeling of fullness and avoiding the desire to pinch involving meals, when you go without food for a long time, or when you eat too much in a short time. Your system reacts, with spikes or large drops of blood sugar. Why is this so undisciplined? The researchers explain that inadequate eating times cause greater use of food throughout the day. While you are very hungry, there is also a greater desire to use sugar, flour, more caloric, and fatty foods. Not having time to eat also contributes to the accumulation of fat, impairs metabolism, decreases satiety and well-being. The irregularity increases the risk of developing problems such as hypertension, type 2 diabetes, and obesity, among other diseases. Watch other videos that I left in the description and subscribe to the channel.